1945, the world was racing to master radar.
Percy Spencer, self-taught, curious, relentless.
He was testing a magnetron, the heart of radar technology.
Then, something unexpected happened.
Microwaves could heat food really fast.
In 1947, Raytheon introduced the first microwave oven, the Radarange.
At first, it was huge, expensive, industrial. Then, it came home. Melted chocolate bar. Curious engineer. Changed the way the world eats.
Percy Spencer. Great moments in engineering.